Well, this is my first video that I'm doing that I want to be talking about for people who are not working due to disability, um, for one reason or another, whether it's for mental illness or whether it's physical disability, and are not able to work in the traditional sense. Um, what I found is that you can take surveys to help supplement the income, and basically there are different survey sites that I've come to find over the years that are really good, and I just thought I was going to mention, maybe start off in a video talking about one. It's not really a lot to talk about per se, but um, I just thought, that I'll do multiple videos, but try to focus on one of the survey sites at a time, and maybe not necessarily show a picture of what the site looks like because it's pretty self-explanatory, really, as far as that's concerned. Um, but the first one I want to talk about, it's called globaltestmarket.com. Let me say that so I say that a little bit better than just rushing it through. It's globaltestmarket.com, and it's a pretty good site that has you get quite a few surveys every day if you actually take them, and you stick to paying attention to what you get the emails from them. Um, like I could say a few things about it. You have to at least be 14 years of age to do it, so you can be a teenager and you could take these surveys. Um, let's see. Another thing basically is that you go into the site and you're going to see there, and it'll show a bunch of stuff like if you were a member already and have an account and you log in. But if you want to register, you want to sign up, there's a space there to do it. And once you start up, it's going to ask you questions, basic questions as far as your name, probably your address, your age, your race, if you work, and, stuff like that, whatever. You don't have to work. I mean, as long as you're of age and so forth, for the most part, there's not much of a real difficulty as far as getting into, being accepted into it. And once you start, you'll see you get what they call life points now. That's what they've changed things to. And you get the points and you can accumulate them enough to be able to get many different gift cards. I mean, you can get Amazon, you can get, I'm trying to think, there's so many different things that you could get a gift card for that company. I think Walmart, I could be wrong about Walmart, um, iTunes, all different kind of things. You can search on the site if you want, and see the different options. And you can also do, if you have a PayPal account, you could do PayPal, which to me is fantastic because it's like instant digital money, whatever. Um, so I would have to say that this is one of the top ones that I've joined for a number of years, and I think it is very well worthwhile your efforts to do it. And you'll see that, every little bit, especially if you could do PayPal, it doesn't hurt. And so that's about it for this video. And I'll see if I do, try to do some more on different other survey sites.